Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you how you can find the activity status setting on TikTok. So if your activity status missing on TikTok, here's where you can find it. So here I've already opened my TikTok, and there are actually two ways where you can find the activity status. The first one is you just need to go to your inbox, and then in here in the inbox text at the top there, you'll see there's a little circle there. You can just click on the circle or that little box, and your activity status settings will pop up like this. And if you want to turn it on, you can just click on the circle at the bottom. So that's the first way. And the second way is that you just need to go to your profile and click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, then go to the settings and privacy, go to the privacy, and there you go. You'll also find the activity status setting. So that's a simple tutorial for me. I hope this will be helpful. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe and click on. Thanks. Bye.